Hello, hello! We're back! You're watching another episode of
Piece of Cake!
Piece of Cake! Yes! And today, it's day 25! Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
Day 25, it's almost been a month that you are just home, guys. It's day 25 of quarantine, and on Sunday, today is Thursday, on Sunday,
It's Easter!
Yeah!
So, and the eggs are going to be scattered around outside, inside the house, everywhere!
Oh, that's so
Around
exciting.
the house!
Yep, we're gonna do an Easter egg hunting inside the house. We usually do it with our friends, on one of our friends' house, but of course,
since
since
something happened,
well, the
and we had to
quarantine,
stay here, and we can't go to anybody's house.
we're gonna do it here at home.
Oh.
And it just in that celebration, that's why we're gonna do Easter egg cookies. Wow, that's gonna be yummy, and they're gonna be decorating it later. So what are the ingredients that we need for today?
2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour,
1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt,
3/4 cup unsalted butter softened to room temperature,
3/4 cup stevia sugar, 1 large egg,
2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract,
And we're gonna also need royal icing for the piping, for the decoration.
Let's get started!
We'll start off by mixing flour, baking powder, and salt. After mixing, just set it aside.
And so for now, we're gonna mix our butter and sugar in our mixer. So as you can see, we're using a paddle attachment to mix the butter and the sugar. Do it, look.
Once the sugar and butter are well blended, we're gonna put in the vanilla extract and egg.
Egg, and who's gonna crack the egg?
Me.
Wow, you do
You do it again. Look.
Step back, it's gonna explode.
Step back, step back.
Oh, I hear cracking.
Oh!
Let's
Good
see
job.
the egg one.
Put it here.
Okay. You
Yes,
wash
sir.
your hands.
Wash
Stay
your
in your
hands, wash your
hands instead of...
Yep.
Once we mix up the wet ingredients, now we add in the dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients, so get it, put it up.
And we beat it in low speed.
Now that our cookie dough has been well blended, we're gonna roll it. I forgot to mention, we're also gonna be needing some baking pan, baking sheets, some piping bags, piping tips, and some egg cookie cutter and a rolling pin. We divided actually the cookie dough on 2 parts so that it's easier to roll. We're gonna roll the dough for about 1/4 inch thick, and we will chill it in the fridge afterwards. Do it, boys!
After rolling the dough, we're gonna put these in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours.
Okay.
So we've chilled it for more than 2 hours. Now we're going to use the egg cookie cutter to cut it into egg shapes.
Good morning, everyone! So, yesterday we baked these cookies. Now it's time to decorate, right?
Nice.
Yeah, so we have some royal icing here that I made yesterday, and I actually based some of the cookies with white royal icing. And all they have to do is decorate on it. This is the exciting part for these guys, right? The recipe for royal icing, I'll put the link of the video below, and so you know how to make the royal icing. So let's get started with the decorations.
Okay, let's do it!
And so this is their works. Look at that. We have Luke, Paolo, Carson.
This one looks like a donkey.
A donkey.
Half of it looks like pie.
Yes. And so it's time for
Taste
test. We'll taste the cookies with their icing decorations, royal icing decorations. Okay.
I'm tasting Voltria.
Okay, Voltria. Call it Voltria.
I'm tasting one of Luke's because it has like the well, it has the most frosting, so it doesn't matter. Or
I'm
icing.
tasting the green one. Oh no, I'll taste one of Luke's. Is it good? Gee. Okay, that's it. This is for Easter Sunday. So if you're looking for something to do with your kids this coming Easter to celebrate Easter at home, then this is a fun way of doing it. Holden, yeah. Once again, my name is Ace Orana and these are my boys. Thank you for watching Piece of Cake. Stay safe, stay home, and happy Easter. Christ is risen. We have a Savior, and I hope this brings us hope and joy and peace that we can get through this pandemic together because the Lord is with us. Thank you guys. God bless you all. Happy Easter. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait. Don't forget to
Subscribe.